In today's video, I bought what I could find as the literal cheapest keycaps on Amazon. These are my old keycaps. They are Bossi Doubleshot PBT keycaps. I went ahead and took all the old keycaps off my keyboard and prepped it to put the new keycaps on. Hear that music playing? Oh yeah. 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 It's speedrun time. Give me a time on how long that took me. I knew it was only 1 minute. And finally, the spacebar. This sound test is with the Bossi Doubleshot PBT keycaps. So I've been using these keycaps for going on 4 months now just to see like if they wear down over time. Honestly, they're the same as the day I bought them. Like, spacebar is the only key that's not super textured still, but I mean all of these keys still have a bit of texture to them. So honestly, if you're looking to get into custom keyboard making and you don't want to drop 25 bucks on keycaps, understandable, then just pick these up. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Bossi did not sponsor this video. I'm just doing this just because if you want to get into custom keyboards, it's a super cool hobby, super fun. If you got $6, honestly, I would just pick these up to try them out, see if they work well, see if you like them. If you find a set of keycaps that are cheaper than these, please let me know. I'll make a video on those because I genuinely want to find the cheapest keycaps within reason, okay? But I am genuinely on a quest to find some of the cheapest keyboard components because I want to eventually make a video where I show you how to make a custom keyboard for under $30. It's going to be very difficult simply because custom keyboards don't usually go down to that range, but I'm going to try my absolute best to, within the next month or two, make that video. I'm doing some Switch reviews coming up soon. Gonna be doing some more keyboard videos. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye.